This new update is sure to give you nothing less than $1 daily. So when you click on the invite link in my description box, it's going to bring you to this page. Now, before you go ahead to download, if you already have Boomplay app on your phone, that's the music streaming app, delete it, uninstall it from your phone before you go ahead with this one. So when you click on that link in the description box, it's going to bring you to this interface. So you click on download immediately. Now it brought us to our Play Store for us to install it. To click on install. Now while it's installing, the minimum withdrawal is $10. So once you've accumulated up to $10, you can place your withdrawal and it will land straight in your bank account. And every day you're sure of $1. In this our economy, $1 is something. That is 1,600 is something. Imagine accumulating that for a period of 10 days or more. Now that it has done installing, we'll click on open. I'll click on start now. Now this app is like those going live stream apps, but this one you are sure of getting something at the end of the day, unlike other live stream apps that you have to wait for someone to come and gift you or do some certain activities before you get the money out of it. Now when you click on this round icon here that looks like a hotspot, that's where you're going to sign up. Now it's asking us sign up or login. Okay, I want to use Gmail to do it. I don't want to use phone number. So we agree to their terms and conditions. Click on this Gmail icon here. So we'll select the email we want to work with. So guys, as you can see, it has successfully signed or has shown up there. So you click on that. You click on that hotspot place again, and you click on video. Now you allow. Now you click on go. It's going to tell you to do a kind of face authentication. Don't worry, you don't have to put your face and all of that. You can use your picture to do this face authentication. So it's telling us what to do. So we'll click start authentication. Say please upload a photo of yourself. Authentication success. So we are just going to go back. Now still go back to video. Click on go live. Now don't worry yourself, you're not going to be sitting in front of the camera. You can just flip your camera. So once you go live, this is the page you're supposed to see. It said salary task. It's going to show you how much you're going to be earning. As you can see, there's $0.5 per hour. Guys, these people pay hourly wage, $0.5, which is something you can work with. Now they say daily live duration 60 minutes. Once you go live for 60 minutes, you come and claim. You go live for another 60 minutes, you come and claim. That is 2 hours. You're getting $1 straight to your wallet. And once it's up to $10, guys, you're going to get paid directly to your bank account. So this app is really worth trying. Like I said, it's still new out there, so a lot of people have not grabbed it yet. So feel free to grab it. Now when you go live like this, all you can do, you can just minimize your phone and continue with your other activities, or you can choose to show your face if you want to. It's optional. It's 100% optional. So guys, like I said, the link to start up is in the description of this video, and I'm going to see if I can pin it also in the comment. And guys, if you've not joined my Telegram channel, what are you waiting for? Because that is where we drop the real updates back to back. So hit the link in the description to join my Telegram channel.